Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V70 Max, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. The process will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. So to get started, you will hold the power button, and from the boot options you want to select power off, and when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now when you see the ZTE logo on a screen, let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. And once you are in the recovery mode, you can then scroll down by using the volume buttons in order to select wipe data factory reset. Once it's selected, confirm it with the power button, then select factory data reset the same way. This will say that it's formatting data, then data wipe complete somewhere. There we go, data wipe complete. At which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so we're just gonna press power button once more. This will reboot the phone, continue resetting in the background, and once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.